Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Actually, the leaders we have now, in fact, they have failed us. We are not seeing the right. Okay, now you cast vote for somebody, hoping good to come out of it. But we are not seeing, okay, look at the economic situation of things around now. Things are getting higher on every day. Okay, now for high cost of recent, I think starting from today, there is fuel, whatever scarcity. Even our vote doesn't count. Whether you vote, you don't vote, they have know who is supposed to be there. They have made their choice already. So your vote, they don't make use of your vote, whether you come out to vote or not. So they have known the person that is going there. If they have turned the political something as their foundational, whatever. So after me, it's my generational this thing. Let me put it that way. We are the cause of all this. Okay, now the situation on ground now, we are suffering it. Now the next coming election, now you see people with bags of rice or Indomie. You see people coming out to come and vote just because you are going to suffer it for the next 4 years. Like where I was saying before, they came sharing money, they called on me. Then when I came out, it was 200 naira. I say, how many of their children are here? Their children are outside enjoying. Then you are collecting 200 to vote somebody in. You are going to eat that 400 for 4 good years, and this is what's happening. In this our country, Nigeria, we are not getting things right. It's not by tribe, neither by party, but it's by choice. But actually, the leaders we have now, in fact, they have failed us. We are not seeing the right. Okay, now you cast vote for somebody, hoping good to come out of it. But we are not seeing, okay, look at the economic situation of things around now. Things are getting higher on every day. Okay, now for high cost of recent, I think starting from today, there is fuel, whatever scarcity. But this, the people, we vote them in order to enjoy from the government. But rather, we are not getting, what we are getting is the other side of it. So it's appalling. Even the coming presidential, for my own side, though, I don't think I'm going to vote for anybody. And my hope is just based on God. God, they failed us.
But don't you think if you do not vote at all, then you give whoever the right to be?
If even our vote doesn't count. Whether you vote, you don't vote, they have know who is supposed to be there. They have made their choice already. So your vote, they don't make use of your vote, whether you come out to vote or not. So they have known the person that is going there. If they have turned the political something as their foundational, whatever. So after me, it's my generational this thing. Let me put it that way. So they have know who is going to be there.
Are you aware that certain people collect bags of rice and all sort of things?
That is where I grew, and not based on, we are the cause of all this. Okay, now the situation on ground now, we are suffering it. Now the next coming election, now you see people with bags of rice or Indomie. You see people coming out to come and vote just because you are going to suffer it for the next 4 years. Like where I was saying before, they came sharing money, they called on me. Then when I came out, it was 200 naira. I say, how many of their children are here? Their children are outside enjoying. Then you are collecting 200 to vote somebody in. You are going to eat that 400 for 4 good years, and this is what's happening. So we are suffering, collecting all those things. You are selling your birthright. So that is disappointing.
So what have you to say to people collecting the bags of rice? Because the truth is, people are still taking it.
They are betrayers. It's very, very unfair. Voting should be by choice, somebody of your destiny. But the leaders we have now, in fact, I won't tell you lie. Most of us are regretting to be in Nigeria. But God bless this country. our leaders are not getting things right. Okay, abroad that everybody is going there. Doesn't mean I don't know human being like us. Okay, look at common rice for the common masses. The ordinary Gary, go and ask how things keep increasing on daily basis, which is very, very unfair. At least you can get all this in a cheaper rate. At least food is number one. The money, at least you can get food when we know shelter followed and by other material things. But people are not, in fact, people are angry on daily basis. If my somebody before he says sorry, because he might have not eaten anything or something like that out of anger. It's unfair.
But you are aware that youths are actually agitated and they want to take things over.
But yes, youth are agitating, but they will not be they will not give them that chance. The old they said formerly they said the young shall grow, but the old shall die. But now the reverse is the case. The old don't want to even die. You understand? It's very, very unfair for youth to take over this country.
So you think it is quite impossible for a youth to become the president?
Because they have their cabals, they have their group. So they are into their whatever group they based on. So they have made up their mind. So that is, they choose whoever they want. So the youth, or at With what I have seen in this country, our vote doesn't count. They've made their choice who they want to. So that stands it. So whether you come out to vote, okay, the last local government election or something, how many people turn up? But somebody was declared made the winner. So how come? So you come to some local government, you see the people that came out for during the election is not up to 10. But you will be hearing in this constituency, this social party win by 100 and something votes. How come? So our vote doesn't count in this country. Sorry to say that. It's a pity.
All right, so now you really do not care whether it is a Hausa man, Yoruba or Igbo that is put there?
For me, this tribalism of a thing in our countries, that is where the problem lies. You understand? For me, I believe we all are one Nigeria. Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba make up the three ethnic groups in Nigeria. But when it comes to the political aspect of it now, you understand? So, in fact, that is where we are getting it wrong in this country. So, but somebody that should do the right thing is what we want. Whether you're an Hausa man, we don't want to know. The Messiah is what we are looking at. So whether you come from Yoruba, just get somebody will do what the people, the masses need. That is what we want. Whether you come from Hausa or Igbo or Yoruba. So we don't want to, this ethnic or tribal something should not be the cause of the day. That is the only thing.